Feasibility analysis of airframe life revalidation program for aging aircraft fleet of Sri Lanka Air Force by WDA Sammana, BDKM Dharmatilaka. In our research background, it was came up that majority of the fleet, as a percentage 72.5 in Sri Lanka Air Force, is more than 20 years old, and moreover 9 aircraft fleet are 100% age out of 13, which in turn those airframe can be categorized under age airframe. A comparison between fixed-wing and rotor-wing aircraft shows in this slide. As a percentage, 17% of fixed-wing aircraft and 61% of rotor-wing aircraft are more than 20 years old. These are our research questions and objectives. In this research, it has selected white-tail aircraft as our case study because white-tail fleet is 100% age. As it seems, corrosion is a major problem found on age aircraft. In white-tail aircraft, it is found out as a percentage of 74% corrosion and 19% of fatigue. These are the factors affecting for the corrosion on airframe. As in this slide, corrosion-prone area have identified through literature review as well as under case study. After the use of risk analysis matrix, it has selected these key areas as high corrosion-prone areas in white-tail aircraft as in next slide. These are the corrosion-prone area in white-tail airframe as a percentage. With further study on corrosion, these are the type of corrosion on airframe: surface, crevice, intergranular, filiform, galvanic, pitting, exfoliation, and dissimilar metal corrosion. There are several alloys used to build airframes, and it shows corrosion type which alloy is susceptible and appearance of corrosion. The corrosion preventive and control techniques are shown in this slide. These are the factors affecting for the fatigue on airframe. Through literature review and case study, these are the identified fatigue-prone areas on an airframe. With using risk matrix analyzed collected data, and it has came up as the main fatigue concentration area as 52% on wing, 28% on landing gear, 20% on fuselage. Fatigue crack and stress corrosion crack are the main two types of crack formed on an airframe. Since Sri Lanka is an island and most of Air Force bases located in coastal area like Ratmalana, Katunayake, China Bay, even though generally corrosion control inspection interval is 30 days, it need to be advanced to 15 days for answering that problem as according to the FAA corrosion severity map. These are the areas need to be checked on age airframe for corrosion inspection. For every corrosion type, there are different corrective actions are available as in the slide. In high corrosion prone areas, there are specific corrosion type, and here we recommend the action need to take according to that area and corrosion type. These are the identified crack prone areas. These are the inspection method and action need to be taken. Summary. Thank you.